Welcome to the Réseau Express Métropolitain. REM is a 67 km light rail system with 26 stations linking downtown, the airport, and the Greater Montreal area. The Réseau Express Métropolitain, REM, is an automated light rail system with 26 universally accessible stations across Greater Montreal. The REM is Quebec's largest public transit infrastructure project. Since the Montreal Metro was inaugurated in 1966, the length of the route, 67 kilometers, is one of the largest automated networks in the world. 5 REM stations from Brossard to Gare Centrale are in service. 20 stations will open at the end of 2024. The airport station will open in 2027. The REM operates nearly 20 hours a day, with a frequency of every 3 minutes 30 seconds during peak hours and every 7 minutes 30 seconds off-peak. Schedules vary according to the day of the week. Transit fare prices vary according to your point of departure, your point of arrival, and the geographic zones you cross on the way, A, B, C, or D. REM fares have been integrated in the ARTM fare schedule and also include metro, bus, and train access to simplify your travel in the Greater Montreal area. You can buy your tickets at all existing points of sale, in the metro stations, in the train stations, and in each of the REM stations. Fares can be loaded onto your Opus card. Every station offers universal access and has an elevator. Some stations also have escalators. REM stations are not equipped with washrooms like the Montreal Metro stations. Some REM stations offer park and ride lots. Parking is available at Brossard and Panama stations, including both free and paid spaces. Thank you for visiting, and we hope you have a pleasant experience on board one of the new REM electric train cars. This site video was made using text-to-video artificial intelligence by Synthesia.io.